Hello everyone. Mega love, mega shout out. Welcome once again to my channel. This is Pure Stone Heart once again, and I'm doing this. I just want to share to you something, guys. Okay. It's been such a long time, or I mean several years, that I started to like doing men's makeup. But I don't know how, and I don't know how to use and what are the makeups that are suited for my skin tone, and I really don't have an idea, and I don't know, but still I get the chance to start. Someone told me to do this thing, blah blah blah, and also I got engaged, and I have this content creator, a man content creator. He is doing a tutorial for men's makeup. So nowadays men and women are both having a makeup, but the difference for the men are just a very classic or a very natural way on how to do the makeup. So now, with so much further ado, guys, and I'm not doing a tutorial now, but for now, because I'm not yet ready to do the thing, but I just want to share with you guys, because my students share with me, generous enough to share with me this kit. Okay, before she gave me what do you call this one, eyeshadow, liquid foundation for the face, the eyes, whatsoever, but I don't know how to use it. And then I really wanted to buy the set for this thing. So I want to share with you, and I'm so happy because this is not a sponsor, guys, but this is an original. This is from L'Oreal Prada. She's working in a cosmetic company, so that's why she has this one. Then she gave it to me, and look what is inside. And this is I really wanted. That I tried to check it online. What are the materials needed? The brushes that needed for makeup, but I don't know how to use it yet. But she gave me just a couple of hours ago, and I just want to share. I'm so happy to have this one, guys. Okay, and this one, there are 3 pieces of it. We have 3 pieces for this one. Yes, 3 pieces again. 3 pieces for this one, guys, and this is the bigger one. And I don't know this chucks. That's L'Oreal. And I don't know what's really the use for this, and I don't know where to use in the face or how to do, but I have to do the research for this one, guys. I really don't have an idea, but I'm so excited to use this one. But anyway, you will be the first to know. You will be the one to first to see my first makeup doing for these things. Okay, next is another one. This is different, I believe. Yeah. Why? Because this is something have a different shape compared to this one. This is like circular, but this one is kind of like different. You can see the difference, guys. Yeah. Okay. This one, and the last one is this one, the small one, still L'Oreal, and I believe, and this one is a very small. Maybe this one is for this one. This eyes here at eyes or the eyebrow, I don't know. Like this maybe, but I have to do a research for this, guys, and how to use this one, because I really don't know how to do this makeup thing, because this is not my thing anyway. But I'm so excited, and I really wanted to know, to learn, because I'm like got engaged with this content creator, because he is very nice when he is doing. I mean, he looks so handsome, and I mean, it enhances the beauty, or it's nice to look at when you have something in your face, like more than go to work. But this thing, I really don't know what to do and how to do it. So I have these 3, guys. Please comment down below. Please comment down below what are the things that how to do this one, for what is this one, and this one, because I really don't know, guys. See, the packaging is very nice. The packaging is very nice, guys. Yes. Thank you so much. Hope you like my video, and for those who did not subscribe yet my video, please do subscribe my video and share my video. This has been your pure Stoneheart. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Love you. Bye bye.